Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be creating a game that I call Jump and Dodge in TurboWarp. You can get TurboWarp by typing and downloading it from Google. I'm going to launch my TurboWarp now. So first you delete sprite 1, then you go to sprite. A sprite is a figure that the TurboWarp AI has designed. You click on the sprites. You then you have to go to people and you can pick whatever person you want. I'm going to pick D monkey and I'm going to go to food and I'm going to take out cheese puffs. I'm going to put D monkey right here. Then I change his size to size 40. Then I go to cheese puffs and I change the size of cheese puffs to size 50. Then I put cheese puffs right here. Now I'm going to code daemon key. I'm going to go to events and take out when green flag clicked. Then I'm going to go to motions and take out, go to X, then and put the coordinates that you were in. Then I'm going to go to variable and put in point. Then I'm going to take out set my variable to 0. Then I'm going to change my variable and click it. Then I'm going to click the point. Now I'm going to events and I'm going to take out when space key pressed. I'm going to go to controls and take out repeat 10 twice. Then I'm going to go to motion and take out change Y by 10 and change Y by 10, but I'm going to turn this 10 into minus. Then I'm going to go to variables and I'm going to take out change my variable by 1. And I'm going to click my variable and put points. Then I'm going to go to sound and take play sound dance celebration. Now I'm going to go to cheesy puffs. For cheesy puffs, I'm going to go to events and take out when green flag clicks. I'm going to go to motions and take out the coordinates for the cheesy puffs. Then I'm going to go to variables and take out set point to 0. Now I'm going to go to events and take out when green flag clicked again. Then I'm going to go to motions and take out when glide second, and I'm going to take out go to, and I'm going to change this go to. I'm going to change this go to 212. Then I'm going to change this minus 161 to minus 158. Then I'm going to change this, the X, to minus 216. 16. Now I'm going to go to event and take out when green flag clicked. And I'm going to go to controls and take out wait until. Then I'm going to go to sensings and take out touch mouse pointer. So what that means, touch my mouse pointer, it means that if it's touching my mouse, that means whatever I put after, something will happen to it. But I'm not going to make it touch my mouse. I'm going to click mouse pointer and I'm going to click the money dance. Then I'm going to go to controls and take out stop all. I also need to go to looks and take out say. I'm going to change the say to game over. I'm going to change it to 0.2 seconds. Then I'm also going to go to variables and take out set my variable, but I'm going to change that my variable to points and I'm going to put it right underneath wait until touching the money dance. Now I'm going to pick a background. A background is a place or country that the TurboWarp AI has designed. And I'm going to click outdoors and I'm going to get the Wild West. Now that I've done that, I can save my game. I'm going to call it Jump and Dodge. Jump and Dodge. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Now I can play the game. So you see that I've jumped and I've dodged the cheesy puffs. Now I'm going to play it again. And if I don't jump, it will hit D monkey money dance and it will stop the game completely. And if I play this and jump again, my point will change by 1. So that's the end of the end of my coding video today. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe, like, and share this with your friends and comment down below for what I can do next. Bye.